In the heart of nature lies a world of breathtaking beauty. Creatures of all shapes and sizes, each a masterpiece of life's artistry. Their movements are poetry in motion, their colors a testament to nature's palette. As their homes vanish, they face challenges beyond their control. Protecting them means safeguarding a world where wonder still thrives, reminding us that life's greatest treasures are often the most delicate. Do you love nature? Hit the subscribe button and explore the wild with us.